Last time on Multi-Talented Megan Adventures, Key West to Canada. My car is at a mechanic in Wells, Maine.
I was in St. Louis, Missouri. I have boarded a flight to Boston that was still in the air at midnight. On this episode of Multi-Talented Megan Adventures, Key West to Canada. My flight lands and I find a spot on the floor to sleep for about 5 hours before I catch the airport shuttle bus to the nearest train station, where I catch 2 local trains that take me to the Amtrak station. I am glad I did not sleep on the floor of the Amtrak station. I catch an Amtrak train north. According to the mechanic, the sound I've been hearing is that the muffler is snapped away from one of its welds. How does that happen, you might ask? Well, during the prequel you haven't seen, I got stuck in deep sand and I had to get pulled out, and they connected their chains to the rear connectors, and I heard a loud snap. I thought it was just their chain straightening out, but apparently it was this.
Hey, so I just picked my car up from the mechanic and I'm going to look it over and make sure everything's okay.
Everything looks okay. My first stop was at a laundromat to wash everything, including my bedding. And as I put my bedding back together, I'm going to show it to you.
Alright, let's talk about my bed. We got some ink cream foam and a mattress. There's also some foam in it. One king comforter. This king comforter is tri-folded. It's folded in thirds. And it gets laid out. And that is immediately followed up by a full-sized dark blue comforter that is half folded. And that is followed up by a sheepskin on the inside, fuzzy on the outside blanket. That is followed up by a king fuzzy blanket that in the winter is a top layer and goes inside my sleeping bag. In the summer is bottom layer. Then I have 2 identical full-sized Starling coats that used to be my sheets at home. Summer and winter sheets. Whole thing, once we can get the fins out of the way, is my bed. And the bed, to protect it, gets wrapped in this green sheet. On top of my bed goes my sleeping bag, a sheet, and another quilt that I use as a pillow. Now, bedding, sleeping bag, sheet that I sleep under because it's summer and it's kind of hot. And whilst I'm running around in the city, I cover all of it with a tarp. Both sides. I got one for the left and one for the right. I also carry 2 full-size pillows, so there's a pillow here, the pillow over there. I use them for my legs, my back, knees, whatever I need them for.
I made a decision to go to Dover instead of Portsmouth. They're about equal distance. I got a massage and picked up new food. Airplanes don't allow me to carry very much. Sunset was beautiful and I got into a campground after dark. This is not exactly what I did, but it's close. You're still here. Please like and subscribe for tomorrow's episode.